Hey everybody, my name is Kevin Klein. I'm security engineer by Klein Networks, and this is my first video where I speak in English, so don't be so strict with me. In this video I will show you how to fix the certificate VPN issue when you want to push a policy package to the FortiGate. I think if you click this video, you already have seen this message. This message comes up when you push the policy package. It runs into an error with the message input is not a valid CA certificate. And now I will show you how to fix it step by step. Just two steps you have to do. First, go to Device Manager, click on your FortiGate, then CLI configuration, scroll down to VPN, Certificate, and CA. And now I already deleted. Now you see the invalid CA VPN certificate. So click it and then delete. So first step. Second step, go to Policy and Objects, Advanced, and CLI configuration, and the same again. VPN Certificate CA, and now you can see hopefully the CA certificate here. Click it and then delete. And now you can push the policy package without any error messages regarding to this issue. Yeah, that's it. If you want that I do some more videos in English, please write some comments in the section below. Look at my other videos. They are in German, but already with English subtitles. So thank you for viewing, and bye.